welcome back, friends. My name is Zainab Nasser, and in this video, I will be reviewing a brand new product for you, which is called the One-bundle. One-bundle is a collection of all the necessary tools that you will need to get successful in making money online. So basically, all these tools are cloud-based, from an autoresponder to storage, from cloud hosting to conducting webinars and creating your funnel pages, everything. They will come with a one-time cost of $17. So you will be saving thousands of bucks every month. So before getting into the software and having a look at the cloud storage, hosting, and funnel page builder, an autoresponder, I will be sharing a few bonuses with you, and which you will get if you pick the product's copy from the link which I will leave in the description. So if you're watching this video and you're finding it helpful, then subscribe to my channel, and so that every time I post a video that will help you make money online, so that you get notified. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, please, so that I keep posting these, sharing these great products that will help you make money online. So now let me take you to the introduction of the One-bundle. So basically, One-bundle has everything you need at one-time cost and with no restrictions. So you can do unlimited hosting, and you can 100% uptime, unlimited SSL encryption, so one-click WordPress installation, unlimited crowd storage and file backup, professional infrastructure, unlimited autoresponder emails, stunning drag and drop websites, world-class sales funnels, gorgeous done for you graphics, and dedicated webinars. So it's a complete package which you will be getting at a one-time cost of $17, and the launch will be happening on 21st of September. So don't miss out, and you will not be getting this offer again. So now let me tell you about the bonuses which you will get if you pick this product's copy via my link. So the bonus one, in which you will get access to Printly. So Printly will help you get started making $278 per hour with free traffic. So basically, it's a software that would get you started making good amount of money. $278 is a good money if you are new to online businesses and you have never made a dime. So to get you started, this is a great software. So get your hands on it, and you can click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Now the bonus too is that 2.9 million free visitors from other people's content. So you can get access to this tutorial, how you can get free visitors from other people's content, and you can divert all these visitors to your website or to your videos or wherever you like. So you can play around and divert these free visitors, and obviously make money from this bonus as well. Then there is bonus 3, which is that you can make $2,000 in 20 minutes from Facebook groups. So basically, you will be getting access to this very cool strategy from how you can make $2,000 in 20 minutes from Facebook groups. Then there is fourth bonus, which is called how to create a 6-figure membership. So you will be getting this bonus, and in which everything is taught how you can create a six-figure membership site. So you can click again here and secure your copy of the product, as well as these amazing bonuses which will get you started making money online as quickly as possible. And then there will be all vendor bonuses, special bonuses. If you take action today, you will be getting these bonuses inside the members area. So, make sure you get your hands on the bonuses before this timer expires. So it will expire in 4 days. So don't forget to get your hands on these amazing bonuses. Okay, now let me show you how the one bundle product looks like and how does it work. So basically, now let me take you to the Host Zpresso. That's the dashboard of Host Zpresso, on which you can host all your domains. So basically, they will teach you how to connect domain to server if you do not know how to do that already. So there is a complete training tutorial section, and copy below name servers and log into your domain registrar. So they have shared a few options where you can get your domains from, and then where you can how you can host it on this Host Zpresso app. So the migration will take around 24 to 48 hours. So with the help of this, you will be able to host your domains. Now let me take you to the cloud storage, which is called Drive Zpresso. So basically, you can store all your data here, from images to videos, audios, text documents, PDFs, zip files, and any other document you want to store. You come here, you create a folder. Let's say I name it make money, sorry, money online. You hit create, then folder is successfully created, and then you start uploading your files and data to it, whatever you want to store, and then you can decide the ascending, descending, up. You can sort them by name, last modified, upload date, and type. So that's what you can do on the storage, and then you can organize them either as a list or as a block view, whichever view you like. So then you can share it with me. So you can see here the files which have been shared with you. And check here your recent files and the ones in trash. So stored ones, which are important ones, and then you can check out your trash here, and you can do what's necessary to be done. That's it for this Drive Zpresso, and then now let me take you to the Funnel Zpresso. So basically, here you can create your funnels, and you can track the leads, the landing pages unpublished, and the landing pages here, everything, device leads, browser leads, OS leads. So you can track every activity of your leads. You can create a new landing page. So you get here to landing page, and you can check your pages here. You can go to settings and do the necessary, configure a domain, form, then fonts, SEO, payments, method, everything, custom code, then the lead setting here. So basically, they have provided you with the templates as well. So you can choose the templates you like, and you can search for the templates here as well. And let's say you choose this one. Either you can first preview it, or you start building it, and then it will show you. It works for mobile, tablets, and PC, for all. And then you can get started. with this, and I have already selected one, so you can take action. You go to builder, you can clone it, and you can go to the lead section. So you can see here you can edit it, adding the basic editing, all add, you can add images, videos, sliders, countdown, however you like your landing pages to look like. You can do the necessary changes to it. Then you can create a thank you page as well for according to your necessity. Then there are these options. You can check save, you can go back, you can delete, you can undo, you can redo, you can zoom to the full screen, and then you can preview how it will look like, and the you can view the components if you like. Here you can see the it comes for the desktop version, the tab version, the mobile version, and the settings sections. So that's the main body, and you can check out here. And call, you can add call to actions as well. So you can create your funnel with this funnel Zpresso, and then they will be also providing you with a mail Zpresso that will be your autoresponder, so you can check out your campaigns here, your subscribers, your list, everything. You can keep track, your list growth, and your recent sent campaigns, everything will be tracked for you. You can create your campaigns from campaign section, and you can edit them as well. If you have created any, you can set up all the necessary details. You can choose a template for your campaigns, and then you can schedule them when you want to start your campaign. You can basically pre-schedule them, and then there is this automation section in which you can automate your emails when to send them out. And then there is this list. You can track all your list. If you have created any, you go to create list, and you enter in the name, the default from name, email, and subject email, and all the company address, and all the necessary details they will be asking you here, and then you can save it. Your list will be ready. And you go to template section, and pro builder, classic builder, there are many options available for you to design your body of the email, so you can get started with the emails. And there will be templates available. Then sending servers, sending domains, sending identity, tracking domains. So it's a complete package for you, the one bundle. So now let me take you to the, yeah, there is a free gift. First 183 buyers also get their best-selling unfair advantage edition, which is worth $2,997. Average beta testers doubled their sales from this. Let me briefly tell you about the upsells of the one bundle. Front end will cost you $17, and the audio one will cost you $29, and the audio 2 will cost $39, and the audio 3 for $197, and the audio 4 for $39, and the audio 5 for $197. So get your hands on this special offer discount, which expires soon. So you can click here and get instant access to the one bundle, and you will be getting this with a 30 days money back guarantee. So that's it for this review video. Thank you for watching.